I'm in the boot on my dad's car. Basically, guys, I know everything all over my dad's car. It's very big, and you also have that makes it even bigger. I'll show you outside in a minute when I've had some fun in it. There's trays from up this. Your heart no. This is the boot of the car. There's lots of stuff in it already.
Your DVD player, twins.
Where does it go though?
Put your tray up so you don't. Where would it go? There.
Just for me?
One there for you, one there for Shauna, and you can watch your own films with your headphones.
So when we've got the DVD, mine will be going there, my sister's will be going there, and we can watch whatever we want on them. We've not got them yet. Well, we've got them, but we're not just putting them on. I don't really want to show you that. So that's how big my dad's car is. That's very hard. There's an open window there. What is that? Get back to you guys in a minute. I'm in the front, as you can see. So there's a boot there. This is a chair. And that's what it actually looks like. You can put them all down. So yeah, what it looks like. You know what the middle looks like. Go straight onto this end. This end's very weird. It's like, just looks odd. So guys, we are right in traffic. Got a busy house. So soon we'll be buying a new seat. There. That doesn't have one. But this cool dinner trays, how cool is that? I'm gonna get some food in a minute. I'm not allowed to get crumbs in this car though. I am sat on the arms. And this moves. I've got a...
Shauna, Alina, pass me the first aid box, please.
Where is it?
It's in the front somewhere.
Upside down. You don't know where it is? Ask Dad because he had it last. No. I'm kind of searching for the first aid kit. Here, that's on the. You're looking for glass. We've got like these cool sunshades that go over. Stuff. Car and it's also on the other side. That's how long our sunroof is. Yeah, here's our big tree. This isn't actually where we live just there. I have that going up. Let's just still looking at the road. Guys, I'm going to lock myself into the car. I'm locking it. Like the doors are already locked. Just lock myself into the boot. It's pretty dark in here, but in sunlight I'm just getting in now. Ooh. Oh, this is very easy to do, as you see. That's like a load of dirty stuff in there. There's a wire. Right. And there's my shoes. And that. Tissue. And a teddy bear. There's tissue there. I'll take you to the horses in a minute, guys. When I can be bothered to get out, it's perfect place. It's perfect to hide in. No one can actually see you in here. So Good. By the way, if you want to know what this is called, the new car. The new car, the new car, the new car. See? Can't be able to get that down. This place for a drink when me and my sister were arguing, like always. And you can also look back there and put my stuff in. And on long journeys, I can go in next week. Saturday, I'm missing Irish dancing again. I missed Irish dance yesterday. And on Saturdays, it's Sunday today. No school. Not too good. Sorry guys, you're just that. Guys. 1 minute, I need to go back in my car. I'm hanging out my window. Look at that mess. Do you want to see this? But I have been begging. Subscribe. Comment if you have a car like this. And please tell me why you have them on them. And how do you look for things here? How do you find things? Okay, like, subscribe, comment. Okay, bye. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, so cool.